The 2021 Kelana Jaya LRT head-on collision stands as the absolute worst rail incident in the history of the Klang Valley Integrated Transit System, leaving over 200 passengers injured. Over the last decade, 2016-2026, the network has shifted from experiencing minor, sporadic operational faults to encountering more severe structural damages and system-wide signaling meltdowns due to aging infrastructure and localized construction errors. The 10 most serious incidents on the Klang Valley rail lines over the past 10 years are detailed below, ranked in decreasing order of severity based on human casualties, physical structural damage, and operational downtime. The underground Kelana Jaya LRT train collision, the 24th of May, 2021.
Next station, KLCC.
Casualties, 213 injuries, 47 severe critical, 166 minor. Line and location, Kelana Jaya LRT line, inside the underground tunnel between Kampung Baru and KLCC stations. The incident: an automated passenger-laden train collided head-on at 40 kilometers per hour with a faulty, empty train that was being driven manually in the wrong direction following a communication failure. It prompted a major national investigation, resulting in 23 systemic safety improvement mandates by the Ministry of Transport. Two, viaduct structural crack and shifting at Bandaraya Station, the 27th of January, 2023. Casualties, none. Line and location, Ampang, Sri Pedaling, LRT line. Viaduct structures near the Bandaraya LRT station. The incident: adjacent development works within the railway protection zone caused critical ground movements. This resulted in structural cracks across 3 viaduct structures and a main concrete pier, creating a heavily kinked track alignment. The section was completely unsafe for trains, severing the network and taking a painful 12 months of complex structural reinforcing and repairs before normal operations fully resumed in February 2024.
Station berikutnya, Kampung Baru. Next station, Kampung Baru.
3. Mass suspension of 16 Kelana Jaya line stations, the 9th to the 15th of November, 2022. Casualties, none. Line and location, Kelana Jaya LRT line, across 16 core stations from Kelana Jaya to Ampang Park.
For your safety, kindly grab the handles at all times.
The 16 core stations suspended on the Kelana Jaya LRT line during the November 2022 shutdown were Kelana Jaya, Taman Bahagia, Taman Paramount, Asia Jaya, Taman Jaya, Universite, Kerinci, Abdullah Hukum, Bangzar, KL Central, Pasar Seni, Masjid Jamek, Dangwangi, Kampung Baru, KLCC, Ampang Park. The incident: a severe, unprecedented malfunction hit the electronic components of the automatic train control (ATC) signaling system. It caused the central command post to completely lose tracking visualization of automated trains on the tracks. Out of public safety concerns, Rapid Rail took the extreme step of completely shutting down the busiest segment of the transit network for an entire week. This stranded hundreds of thousands of daily commuters and required the deployment of engineers from a regional equipment manufacturer, Thales Group. 4. 12-wagon cargo train derailment at Bank Negara, the 23rd of November 2017. Casualties: none. Line and location: KTM commuter network, KM 386 track section between Bank Negara and Kuala Lumpur stations. Location specifics: coordinates chainage, track chainage KM 386.00. Station environment: the cargo train derailed directly inside the Bank Negara station footprint, right alongside its northbound passenger platform. Overhead infrastructure: the cars went off the rails directly underneath the major bridge corridor of Jalan Kuching, where it intersections with Jalan Sultan Ismail. The incident: a massive southbound freight train pulled by KTMB suffered a major derailment, pulling 12 heavy cargo wagons off the rails right inside the station and underneath a major bridge corridor. The structural complexity of re-railing heavy cargo cars in a restricted, covered station environment completely blocked the lines. It wiped out central KTM commuter and electric train service, ETS, operations across 4 intersections for nearly 4 to 5 days, causing massive transport backlog throughout the country. 5. Ampang Sri Petaling Line train derailment, the 28th of May 2026. Casualties: none. 25 passengers safely evacuated. Line and location: Ampang Sri Petaling LRT line, approaching the Chansao Lin station. Specific location details: the junction. The derailment occurred at the precise intersection where the single rail line splits into 2 separate directions, one branch continuing toward the Ampang station and the other heading toward the Sri Petaling Putra Heights route. The split: during the mid-transition over this faulty track switch, the first carriage moved along the correct track, but the following carriages were forced onto the track heading toward Ampang, causing the train to split into 2 different directions and derail. The incident: a mechanical failure occurred mid-transition at a track switch. While the lead carriage successfully switched to the intended route, the switch failed right underneath the train, steering subsequent coaches down a conflicting track line. The immense physical pressure sheared the lead carriage completely off the tracks, heavily damaging rail infrastructure and prompting the creation of a Ministry of Transport task force to investigate systemic failures.
Station berikutnya, Jinjiang. Next station, Jinjiang.
6. Scaffolding collapse at MRT Putrajaya line construction, the 3rd of March 2018. Casualties: 2 fatalities. Line and location: MRT Putrajaya line construction site at Jinjiang sector. The incident: during overhead structural launching and elevated track construction work, a massive portion of heavy metallic scaffolding completely collapsed onto the construction grounds below. 2 site construction workers were trapped and killed instantly by the falling metalwork, which halted the segment's construction for safety compliance investigations. Seven. Total service suspension of 6 northern Ampang line stations, the 2nd of April 2023. Casualties: none. Line and location: Ampang LRT line, 6 northern stations from Bandaraya to Sentul Timur. The 6 northern Ampang LRT line stations suspended during the April 2, 2023 operational shutdown were Bandaraya, Sultan Ismail, PWTC, Tidiwangsa, Sentul Timur. The incident: This operational disaster was a direct domino effect of the structural damage mentioned in incident number 2. Because trains on the northern segment were marooned on the opposite end of the broken viaduct, they could not cross over to return to the Ampang LRT depot for required safety overhauls. After several weeks of running without routine technical maintenance, the train sets were declared a safety risk and pulled from service, causing a total station shutdown that lasted until temporary repair phases wrapped up. Eight, massive rush hour signaling fault, the 13th of October, 2025. Casualties, none. Hundreds trapped inside stalled trains. Line and location, Ampang Street Pedaling LRT line, between Hang Tuah and Pudu stations. The incident, a critical hardware technical glitch, struck the signaling track networks in the dead center of the morning rush hour. Multiple automated train sets locked up immediately on the tracks, trapping thousands of commuters inside tightly packed, unventilated cabins for roughly 2 hours. The subsequent passenger overflow paralyzed connecting platforms and interchange hubs across downtown Kuala Lumpur.
Station berikutnya, Putrajaya. Next station, Putrajaya. Station berikutnya, Taman Paramount. Next station, Taman Paramount.
Dual same-day Kelana Jaya line glitches, the 23rd of February 2026. Casualties, none. Line and location, Kelana Jaya LRT line, localized heavily between Asia Jaya and Taman Bahagia stations. The incident, the line suffered 2 separate critical technical system faults within a single day. Both incidents occurred on the exact same track section between Asia Jaya and Taman Bahagia stations.
Station berikutnya, Taman Bahagia. Next station, Taman Bahagia.
The morning fault. A component failure on this specific track segment forced operators to switch to manual driving at crawling speeds to safely cross it. The afternoon fault. The secondary power system failure struck the exact same sector later that day, compounding the transit chaos and crippling returning services. Because both malfunctions were localized to this precise stretch of the Kelana Jaya line, the transit operator had to activate emergency turnbacks at Taman Jaya and Taman Bahagia stations to isolate this specific piece of track while engineers worked on repairs.
Station berikutnya, Datuk Kramat. Next station, Datuk Kramat.
Mid-track breakdown and evacuation, the 9th of September 2016. Casualties, none. Panic and heat-related distress. Line and location, Kelana Jaya LRT line, viaduct section between Datu Keramat and Damai stations. The incident. A train suffered a complete structural and electrical failure, stalling dead on an elevated viaduct track during peak operating hours. The train's main cabin lights and air conditioning units shut down entirely, causing immense panic and breathing distress inside the airtight cars. After being trapped for over 20 minutes, emergency response staff had to manually open the doors from the outside, forcing hundreds of passengers to walk along the narrow, open-air concrete elevated tracks to reach the Damai LRT station,